Amara, I'm making a YouTube video. Hi guys, or yo guys, Denny or everything here today. We're playing. Sorry about that. We're playing. We're playing One Block. The series. I just woke up, guys, so that's why I'm not like, yo guys, Denny or everything here today. I just woke up about like 20 minutes ago. I wanted to do a video since I got interrupted when I did when I was about to post the One Block until Elijah called me. So I decided to don't do it, so don't upload it because it was only 9 minutes long. And I just wanted to play with him, so that's why. Go, Cal. That's why. I don't know. Get off! I'm gonna make my island bigger. It's so bright. I have too much. I don't have enough room on this one. Okay, crouch. W. Build it. Build it. Build it. Build it. Build it. Build it. Guys, sorry about that. I just had to do something. Get off. Get off. What if we built the island out of wood and slabs? Like right here. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Looks nicer. And that right there. Oh yeah, let's keep first animals stop spawning or you're gonna be like that cow. Falling off of the wood sky block. Okay? Ah, spider, 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 spider. Oh my god, 2 goes at one time. Cow, you're gonna be like at the last cow that'll punch you over the mountain. So, leave me alone. Thank you. Oh my god, I need more iron. I barely have any stuff. If we put a wooden slab right there, perfect. Not even dirt. It's just like that. Pig, I swear, if you chest. Well, oh yeah. I remember what I can do. I can put them in pens. Pig! Stop. Guys, oh my god. I can't pick it up. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. Put this away. Now keep my wood. Put the food away because I don't need it. Put this away. I'll leave that. Put this with that. 5. We'll put this away. Oh my god. I have so much stuff. Is there like a faster way I can do this? Is that cow looking at me? I swear if he is, I'm gonna punch him off of the thing. I need this red for something. This red rose. You guys see what I'm gonna make? You see, guys? If you know what I'm gonna make, you guys better hit that subscribe button. Or this cow right here that keeps looking at me will will follow you everywhere. So even if you're in mines, even if you're in lava, but he will keep respawning. You might think he's creepy, so you better hit that subscribe button. And he's invincible. You can't kill him. But luckily I can kill mine because it's Java Edition. No, I'm playing. You guys can kill yours. I'm just playing. Nothing's true. Okay. Now. Okay, did you guys predict what I was gonna make? No. Actually, let's wait for a few more cows to come on this island. Iron! Yay! I got iron. I'ma smelt. It's not copyrighted, no? Because I made up that song. Ooh, 4. I'm gonna smelt. That can't be copyrighted. I came up with that words. I'm gonna smelt like the song, but not actually the words. But I came up with the song. I'm gonna smelt. This is the only thing I hate about Java Edition. It's hard to play. Xbox Edition, easy to play. My first diamond on the island. You guys already know. What I can make. Oh my god, I don't have cobblestone. Thank God, with Christmas on my life. I'm just weird, guys. Don't. How do you make a cobblestone? Isn't it like this? No. Isn't it like this? Like a chest? Isn't it how to make that? Like that? Yeah, perfect. And we can move the chest with that. And we can cook up some iron like we're cooking up some videos. I'm gonna dribble it if you don't. Oh, you think I'm playing? Exactly. You don't want me to do like I did Elijah over there. Like I did him. With the diss tracks. Okay? So pig, move. Thank you. I swear, say that word again. Okay. Remember to subscribe. Shout out to everybody that's watching. Okay. Oh. I saved it. Working in diamonds. See? Again, I'm gonna punch you off that island. Ooh. I'm learning a new skill. Guess who's next, cow? Give me that booty. Give me that booty. Give me. No, I'm fine. Okay. Yeah, I can make iron pickaxe and I can get some diamonds. Diamonds. Whoever wants to be on in a video with me, all they have to do, subscribe, hit that like button, and comment in one of my videos what is your Roblox username, and I will tell you. And I'll comment back and say, you're the lucky winner. And I'll ask you what game you want to play. No, Wizard Tycoon. You have to play Wizard Tycoon. Actually, you don't have to. Since, yeah, it's my YouTube channel, my choice. First diamonds. 3, 2, 1, go. I thought that diamond dropped. Another diamond. This game is a hacker. I got 2 diamonds. Let me crouch. Isn't it like that? Like that. W. Okay, perfect. The island's kind of getting together. I think I might get a mob spawner. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna start doing most of this work in episode 3. Just today, it's just like gathering stuff to get prepared. So annoying, I have to keep switching. On my video, guys, are you still here with me? Guys, I can beat you up. Okay. Guys, sorry about that. My computer was about to die, and I got it. I beat it before it was about to die. Okay, perfect. Okay. Every time when you see me do that, guys, that means my computer is about to die. Builder! You. Whoa! I got a lead, so I could throw a lead. Copyrighted song. I don't even remember what the song is. Follow the leader. That's a copyrighted song, but I sang it first, and I learned it in kindergarten. I'm actually not sure. What should I wear, guys? Pink armor or red armor? Since it's for you guys, I'm doing pink. Okay, let's do pink armor. I'm doing red and pink. Cause look, watch this. Pig, no one likes you. How do you make a chest plate? I need to know how to make a chest plate. I know how to make boots. Diamond chest plate. Oh, it's like that. Give me that, and give me the boots. And put the boots right there, and put this pink right next to it. I swear, if it doesn't work, I quit. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. You're supposed to get pink. Guy, then you're supposed to do it. Remember, I'm not doing my outro. I'm just gonna let it end at 15 minutes. Let me get that, and I got the pink armor. And now we're doing red. I keep looking at the time just in case. Okay. I swear. Stop. Ooh, I got it. No, I should have did. Guys, I should have done pink for the chest plate and red for the boots. Ah. W-E. Okay. Always gonna remember what I look like. Pink and red is not a good combo. Look. Okay. Okay.